You may be wondering why I use a condom on my camera lens. What benefit it has? Well, most people don't know that there are tons of hidden and amazing uses for condom in our daily life. And this has nothing to do with sex. From protecting your cell phone lenses to clean your dirty shoes, condoms have become the unexpected go-to solution for tackling everyday challenges. Join us as we explore 17 life hacks of using condom that will amaze you, and make sure to watch till the end for the best tips. Number 17. Extend the life of bananas. Using a condom to extend the life of bananas is a practical hack for slowing down the ripening process. You can extend the life of bananas by covering them with a clean, unused condom, which acts as a barrier to reduce exposure to air and slow down the ripening process. This helps keep the bananas fresher for a longer time. Number 16. DIY disposable gloves. Ever thought about using a condom as a DIY disposable glove? It's a resourceful hack for those moments when you find yourself in a pinch. Here's how you can give it a shot. Grab an unused condom, making sure it's hole-free. Carefully open the condom wrapper without damaging the condom itself. Then, gently unroll it to create a makeshift glove. This can be handy when you need to handle messy tasks without direct contact with substances like paint, grease, or other potentially harmful materials. Number 15. Temporary water bladder. Ever wondered if a condom could serve as a makeshift water bladder in a tight spot? Well, it can. This creative solution can be a real lifesaver in emergency situations. First, grab an unused, unexpired condom. Next, carefully open the condom wrapper without causing any damage to the condom itself. You want it to remain intact. Now, unroll the condom to its full length, creating a sort of mini water storage tube. Carefully add clean water, ensuring you don't overdo it. Securely tie the open end with a knot, ensuring it's tight. And voila! You've got yourself a makeshift water bladder. Number 14. Waterproofing for electronics. Stretch a condom over smaller electronic devices like remote controls or portable speakers to protect them from accidental spills or moisture. Ensure a tight seal to keep the device dry while still allowing for remote control functionality. Number 13. Protect items in the rain. Using a condom to protect items from rain can be a creative and effective solution, especially if you need to keep small items dry when caught in wet weather. To protect items from rain, place the item inside a clean, unused condom. Tie a knot to seal the open end tightly, and carry the protected item with you to shield it from light rain or moisture. Always ensure the condom is in good condition and free from holes before using it. Number 12. Clean your dirty shoes. Believe it or not, condoms are great for cleaning and polishing leather shoes. Put a few fingers inside a condom and scrub the shoe with it. You'll be amazed at how your shoes will shine afterwards. Number 11. Fire starter. A condom can be used as a fire starter by filling it with water, holding it over a fire until it bursts, and then using the flowing water to start a fire with dry tinder. This method can be a lifesaver in survival situations. Number 10. Finger protectors for DIY work. Using condoms as finger protectors in DIY work is a practical way to shield your fingers from messes and potential hazards. To do this, carefully open an unused condom, unroll it to create a tubular shape, and cut it into sections if needed. Then, slip the condom sections onto your fingers as protective covers. This allows you to work without getting your fingers dirty or exposed to substances. Ensure that both the condom and the materials you're handling are clean, and remember that condoms should be disposed of after a single use. Number 9. Homemade elastic band. Cut a condom into thin, long strips to create your elastic bands. These can be used to secure items or even for crafting projects. Number 8. Emergency tourniquet. In case of a severe injury with heavy bleeding, a condom can be used as an emergency tourniquet. It should be tied tightly above the wound to help control bleeding temporarily until professional medical help arrives. Number 7. Zipper lubricant. If you have a stubborn zipper on your clothing or backpack, apply a small amount of water-based lubricant to the zipper and then rub it with a condom to help it slide more smoothly. An easy hack to save your day. Number 6. Homemade ice pack. Sometimes you find yourself without an ice pack in the freezer. A quick and practical alternative is to utilize a condom. Simply fill it with water and securely tie the top. Place this water-filled condom in the freezer, allowing the contents to freeze. Once the ice is ready, wrap it in a towel around your new emergency ice pack and take care of your injury. Number 5. Silencer for noisy toys. It's not a surprising hack that you can use condom to stop getting too much noise from toys. If you have children with noisy toys, you can place a condom over the speaker to muffle the sound and make playtime quieter. Number 4. Keep your bandage dry. Wearing a bandage or a cast is awful enough, but trying to bathe with one on just adds insult to injury. But you can waterproof your arm or leg with, yes, a condom. You should be able to fit a good part of your arm or leg into a condom. For wounds that don't cover the hand or foot, just snip the tip off your condom, then pull it on like a sleeve. Number 3, pet paw protectors. In extreme weather conditions, you can protect your pet's paws by placing condoms over them. This can help keep their paws dry and clean while they walk outdoors. And for using a condom as a pet paw protector, select a condom and slide it over your pet's paw. This DIY solution can help keep your pet's paws clean and dry during walks in inclement weather or on rough terrain. Ensure your pet is comfortable with the condom protectors and monitor them during the walk to ensure they don't cause any discomfort. Number 2, waterproofing for matches. To waterproof matches using a condom, choose a non-lubricated and non-spermicidal condom. Insert matchsticks into the condom, tie off the open end securely to create an airtight seal, and test the waterproofing by submerging them in water. Store them for future use, and when needed, carefully open the condom and strike the match as usual. This method ensures dry matches in wet conditions, making them reliable for outdoor activities. Number 1, protecting camera lenses. When you're in dusty or wet environments, you can stretch a condom over your camera lens, creating a protective barrier that still allows for clear photos. To protect your camera lens using a condom, stretch it over the lens, secure it in place, and potentially trim any excess material. This DIY method safeguards your camera from elements like rain and dust while allowing normal functionality. However, it may not match the optical quality of professional lens filters and should be used as a temporary solution. So, be sure to secure it properly. And there you have it, folks. We've uncovered some incredible hidden features and clever hacks that can make your daily life a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.